Hello friends, welcome to the another session of the Music Saints. So let's start right away. The guitar on my hand right now, it is a jumbo acoustic guitar. The size is jumbo. It's a full size guitar. Now, this part of the guitar, right? This part is known as the machine head or the head stock. You see this part. This is the machine head or the headstock from here till here. These are the tuning keys or the tuners of the guitar. Like we attach the string to it and it holds the string and it helps us tighten or to loosen the string and to tune the guitar also. Right? This part, white part over here, this is known as a guitar nut. This is also used to hold the guitar strings in place. Now from here till here you can see, right, this is known as the neck of the guitar. And we can call it neck also, we can call it a fingerboard or a fretboard. But the technical term we use, it's a fretboard. Why it is fretboard? Because you can see these boxes, these are frets. So first box is fret number 1, fret number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So it is a 21 frets guitar. It has 21 frets. So this thing you should know that if I ask you which one is fret number 5, so what you'll do, you'll count from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the second dot is fret number 5. Dot means all these dots. Dots are there to easily locate the fret numbers. Second dot means fret number 5. First dot is fret number 3. So if I ask you where is fret number 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third dot is fret number 7. Double dot means fret number 12. So these are the frets you should know. Now this complete thing, big thing, is known as a hollow body or a vibration box. This complete body, right? This is the bridge. Bridge means we start the string from here. What we do, basically we take the strings, okay, and we insert it in these holes, and then we fit this nuts over there, and so that we can then we tie the strings to these tuners, right? So we'll do this also in our next lesson, how to restring or how to change the string of the guitar. For now, in this lesson, you just have to know about the parts of the guitar and about the notes. And usually we have 6 strings in our acoustic guitar, but nowadays you can easily find 7 string guitar, you can find 8 string guitar also. But they have the same 6 string names, only they have some double notes that you'll understand in coming up lessons. So 6 strings we have. Okay, you have to count it from the down. Thinnest one is string number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right. Now, when I'm playing with my fingers, when I am strumming the strings, okay, here a sound is coming. This is what is all our notes. Now we'll start with the basic music theory of what are these. See, in basic music theory, you should know that there are 12 types of notes in total. Right. Now these 12 type of notes, they gets divided into two parts. First group is known as whole notes and the second group is known as accidental notes. Now whole notes are all the pure notes like you must have heard since your childhood. They are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. But when you play Western instruments, these names they get changed. Sa will become C, Re will become D, then Ga will become E, then same like this put C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Right. So after G we have A again. So Sa is C, Re is D, Ga is E, Ma is F, Pa is G, Dha is A, Ni is B, and Sa is C again. So these are the notes. They are known as whole notes. Now, second classification was of accidental notes. Now, accidental notes, they are of two types. One is known as the sharp. The symbol of sharp is a hash sign, and second part is known as flats. Now, symbol of flat is the the lower case b or the small b. Now, what exactly the sharp and these flats are, we'll do this practically. See, the main thing in guitar or in any kind of Western music is that there the pattern you should know. What comes after what? You start from C, you start from A, you start from A note. Okay, it's a cycle basically. What comes after G is A. This thing you should know. There is no H in music. So let's start now. Let's start from C. One we have a whole note, the other we have an accidental note. After C, it comes a C sharp, then a D, then a D sharp, then E. Then after E, there is no sharp. So after E, you will have F straight away. After F, F sharp, then G sharp, then A sharp, then B, then straight away C. So we don't have E sharp and B sharp, right? So this pattern you should know. If I ask you what comes after C, you will say C sharp. What comes before C, you will say B, because there no sharp to B. What comes after F, the answer is F sharp, right? So these things you should know. Now about the flat notes, flat accidental notes, we'll do this term a bit later. First, let me make you understand about the notes on the guitar. Now see, the first string, right? This is the first string. If I'm playing this string open, open means without pressing on any fret over here. Okay, the first string is known as E, right? Then second is B. All these are open notes, means without pressing on the fret. Then third is G, fourth is D, fifth is A, and sixth is E again. So E, B, G, D, A, and E. You should learn this thing. First and sixth, they both are E. Difference is that the first E, it is a high pitched E, and the sixth E, it is in low pitch E. Right. So this is E. Now, what I if I press the first fret on the E string, this was E, first string. Now I'm pressing it on the first fret, so you can hear like the sound is changing. If the sound is changing, that means the note is changing. Now we just did our types of notes about the 12 notes, the 12 the pattern of the 12 notes. So what comes after E? After E is F. We don't have E sharp, so this note is E, F, sorry. Then if we move on to the next fret, fret number 2, what comes after F is F sharp, then G, then G sharp, then A, then A sharp, then B, then after B, C straight away, then C sharp, then D, then D sharp, then E, then F. Keep this thing in mind that on the 12th fret, the double dotted, the notes get repeated. How this was E and it again become E. So after 12 notes, the notes is getting repeated, right? So it was on string number 1, the note is E. If I ask you which note is this, so what you'll do, you'll see which string is that. That is string number 1, and that is an E string. I'm pressing on the 6th fret. So let's see which note is here. E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp. This is note A sharp. Fine. Now string number 2 is B string. The name of second string is B. So if you press on the first fret on the B string, what comes after B? It is C. So it becomes C, then C sharp, then D, then D sharp, then E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. So likewise, the notes they are getting the pattern. Main thing is that the pattern. Okay, the pattern of the 12 notes you must have seen on the screen also, that what is the pattern of 12 notes, right? The third is G. Then what comes after G? It's G sharp, G sharp, then A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp. Those fourth string is D string. So what comes after D? D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. Okay, likewise it goes. Fifth string is A, then A sharp, then B, then C sharp, then D sharp. Keep in mind that when you follow the pattern of the 12 notes, There is no B sharp, there is no E sharp. After B, C comes, after E, F comes. Sixth string is E again, so it will be F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, like this. You should know, main thing is that you should know what exactly the string you're referring to. If I'm referring to third string, one, two, three, third is G, so you should know the name of the string. This is third is open G, right? So it becomes a G sharp. This is how we find the notes on the guitar. And the basic thing is that you should know the 12 patterns, the pattern of the 12 notes. Now, these were the sharp. Now, what exactly a flat is? Before that, we should know when we are making it sharp, what is exactly is happening. See, this is E, F, F sharp. So when I'm coming from F to F sharp, you can notice that the pitch is raising. Da da. So the pitch is going high. Da da da. As we move down the fretboard, the pitch is raising. As we move up the fretboard, the pitch is lowering. See, da 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 da. So what exactly sharp is? Sharp means when you raise the pitch of a particular note, it becomes a sharp.